Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Nissan Altima check engine light. First, ensure your car is safely parked and turned off. You'll need a wrench to disconnect the negative battery terminal. Wait about 15 minutes before reconnecting it. This often clears minor error codes, but remember, it doesn't fix the underlying issue. Always address the root cause for lasting results. Another effective way is using an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner. These devices plug into a port typically found beneath your dashboard. Once connected, turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. The scanner will guide you through reading and then clearing the diagnostic trouble codes. This method is quick and provides insight into potential problems before clearing the light. It's crucial to understand that resetting the light doesn't fix the problem. The check engine light illuminates for various reasons, from a loose gas cap to more significant engine issues. Always investigate the cause. If the light reappears quickly, it's a strong indicator of an underlying mechanical or electrical fault that needs professional attention. Don't ignore it. Before resetting, consider the implications. Driving with a check engine light on for too long can lead to further damage to your vehicle's components. Also, many regions require your check engine light to be off to pass emissions inspections. If you're unsure about the cause, or if the light keeps coming back, it's always best to consult a certified mechanic for a thorough diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.